Okay, this is Papa Jupe. First in a series of just stupid maintenance stuff. Here we go. I got my 2008 FJR. Don't mind the video. First time doing this. So I'm coming home from work the other day, and I ran over, got a rear flat, so it was sticking out right where my fingers are. This little part right here was sticking out of the tire on the freeway at that. Anyway, who cares? So I got a new tire. I run Metzler's Z8s. Never had a problem. They came with the 08 FJR, came with the or mine did, the Z6 Interact Metzler. So I upgraded the Z8. Don't seem to have a problem with it. It had awesome tires, tread wear, wet, dry. There it is, with the green machine in the backyard. I get my tires from Motorcycle Superstore. Bought this for $195, taxes, shipping, everything. Took 2 days, if that, to get here. I think I ordered it Wednesday, got it yesterday, Friday. So I'm going to show you how to remove the rear wheel, because I got to take it to the dang shop to put the tire on. I don't do my own tires because I don't have the equipment. But anyway, see if I don't screw this up. First thing you need to do is loosen, where are we at? Right here. I don't know if you can see, there's an Allen wrench, a 12 millimeter. You need to drop that for the rear brake bracket. Loosen it so the bracket, or so the caliper slides off the disc. Right here. Where am I? Whoa. This isn't gonna work. Let me change the view. Hold on. How do I do that?